If your ex is in a rebound relationship, you need to watch this video. Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Carmont. I'm your relationship coach and I want to talk about a topic that I know it's difficult for you. I understand that when you see the person that you love the most in a rebound relationship, posting online, talking about this other person, you can feel very hurt. And so you want to talk about your love. You want to express everything that you feel about the situation. You want to show to your ex that you will be willing as well to change. And this situation, unfortunately, will make you be needy, available, and you're just facing a wall. You're just facing a situation with no hope that your ex will realize that you have changed. And if I'm doing this video, it's because since 2007, I've coached more than 100,000 people from all over the world when it comes to breakup. And I can tell you that it's almost normal that they are in a rebound relationship. It's kind of like they needed to be in this kind of relationship to be able to leave you, to get the strength to leave you. So that is the reason why when it's a rebound relationship, it's not something that we should focus on. It is not something we should focus on because it's not the problem. It's not the first part of the problem. And in this video and on Love Advice TV, we really want to help you understand how to regain control, how to make your ex that is in a rebound relationship talk to you again. That would be step number one. Then, based on the conversation, how can we recreate the connection? Not just the attachment, not just the chemistry, but a real deep connection. And the last part will be to meet in person. Because when you meet in person, everything regarding the past goes away. So the negativity, the frustration, the idea that you exchange words and you were not nice to each other. All of this will just disappear. So that is the reason why when you see your ex in a rebound relationship, you want to go step by step. You don't want to do actions that will jeopardize your outcomes. Okay? Now I'm explaining to you that based on neuroscience, when I study neuroscience, when I study all of the researches regarding love and breakups and relationship and saving your marriage, we found that people need another relationship to be able to leave the first one. So in order for your ex to leave you, they were in need of another relationship. That doesn't mean that the relationship is perfect. That doesn't mean that they are really in love, even if they are posting online. This is something I want you to jot because most of the time you will look at their social media. You will look at what they say to people, and this will scare you. The reality is that we have an incredible success rate, but incredible, when it comes to rebound relationship because we can show to your ex what they are about to lose. And let's be straightforward, let's be honest here. They are not losing the past relationship because in their mind, this is already over. So they seem to not care about that. What they are losing is you and your new activities and your new mindset and your new vision of life. Because everything that you do that is new is very powerful. It is just what they don't want to miss. Because they ask for the breakup for a reason. Maybe they found that the relationship was too in a routine, too much in a routine. Maybe they found that you were codependent. Maybe they thought that they can take you for granted. Maybe they just don't like the idea that you were each other, not trying to have sex a lot or to go on holidays or to organize, dates during the weekend. All of this situation, if you change it right now, it means that someone else will be in a relationship with the perfect you. And that is something that your ex will never accept. That is something that your ex will never be satisfied with. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because I've seen so many people facing an ex in a rebound relationship. And these people that I've coached, they were scared. They were feeling down. They were surprised by the idea that their ex found someone else so easily and so fast. And when I told them, look, your ex is just trying to escape the past, escape to connect to their emotions, men or women. So we should not focus on that. The goal is to make sure that they see that they are losing the best version of you. That's why you have to go to the gym. And I say you have to. Don't tell me, yes, I know, and you don't go. Or yes, I go 1 day a week. No, you need to go almost every day. You need to change the way you dress. You need to take new pictures. You need to make sure that you create new activities. And don't find excuses. Find solutions. Don't tell me that you cannot go to a salsa class. Because the moment you will do it, you will connect with other human beings. And instead of us looking at what's going on in your ex's life, it will be the opposite. Because I've seen people so obsessed about their ex. They look at everything. And so how do you want them to validate that you have changed? How do you want them to be scared to lose you? It is not possible if we do the job for them. It is not possible if we are the one that will be very needy and codependent and looking at the past. I know it's difficult. Like, I'm honest with you. But I also know that it's possible. After helping dozens of thousands of people getting back together, I know that there is some solutions. We just have to stay focused on the basic, the actions I told you. We have to have the right mindset, which is, I want to show to my ex what he or she can lose. I want to show to my ex how confident I am today. I want to show to my ex that I am the best version of myself and that my life will be completely different. That is where we need to go together at Love Advice TV community. That's why you need to smash the like button and you need to subscribe as well to the channel. I want you to receive my videos from Coach Adrian, Coach Danny, Coach Abby, because we are providing you new tools. Every time we see something that's working for our clients, we do videos. And so that's why I've seen so many people facing the rebound relationship for their ex, being scared. And they were able to reverse the situation in just a couple of days. Because your ex, this is one thing that is beautiful in your situation. Your ex is thinking that they are in control. Your ex is thinking that you will continue to be there. You will continue to wait for them. So they are really thinking that they can do whatever they want. If they want to come back, they will have this option. And what we are doing is to close these options to put pressure so they come back as soon as possible. And just because you will be happy, just because you will bring some charisma, and just because you will show them that you're different, you are unique. So guys, I really want you to understand this point. It's not because your ex is in a rebound relationship that it's over. It's actually the opposite. Because your ex is in a rebound relationship, we will have more options because they fear that you can change. They fear that you will be the needy, the scared person, which we will not be anymore. In order for you to get the best of this philosophy, because that's my philosophy and I know it's very special, but I have created some videos. I have created also a masterclass on the push and pull technique, which allows you to regain control, which allows you to show to your ex that you're different and to recreate attraction. So if you want to watch this, you just have to click in the description box right below. You have the link and you will find that it is possible to make your ex be scared to lose you, to be scared to lose the new you, okay? But in order for you to do that, you need to set your mind. So that's why you need to click in the description box, watch this free video that I have done. It's not a video, by the way, it was a masterclass. So it's like 1 hour and 15 minutes of content that blow your mind. Change your vision of love and breakup recovery process. And before to click or to leave this video, I want to make sure that you smash the like button, you subscribe as well. We want to create this amazing community of people that support each other because experiencing a breakup, it's a hard pain, but we are here for you and we want to offer you our best. So I will see you soon. Remember to come on withmyexagain.com. This is our website. If you click on coaching on the top right, you will have access to private coaching. So the private coaching is where we can chat to each other. There is a special package where I respond to emails. So if you receive a text message, you don't know what to say, I'm here with you. And this is very special. You have to apply for this, but the first call is free. So why not call us and see how we can help you? Basically, what will be the best package of coaching that you need. Okay? I will see you very soon. Take good care of yourself and stay positive, even if your ex is in a rebound relationship. I'll see you soon, guys.